Sino man naka-invent nito, thank you so much talaga. Kapag dumadating yung monthly period ko, grabe talaga yung dysmenorrhea ko. Like, it's either nasusuka or parang malapit na akong himatayin, and ang sakit ng likod ko, ang sakit ng puson ko. Hindi ko talaga kaya yung sakit ng puson ko. So, I finally decided to buy this one kasi ayoko nang umiinom ako parati ng gamot. Kasi parang hindi naman yon okay for my kidney. So, I bought this one. Let me show you. So, you just put it to the part kung saan talaga sobrang sakit for my part ngayon. Sa lower abdomen, sa puson. Ito yung switch. Ilo-long press mo lang. Tapos, dito mo ma-adjust yung temperature niya. And then, ito rin, may mga massage options. Kung ayaw mo nang may nagba-vibrate, yun lang yung piliin. And then, ito, may 4 massage options para parang mas relaxing. Kung hindi na masakit yung puson ko, I'll make a better video explaining about this one kasi it's such a lifesaver. Like, thank God I have this one.